Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'd like to give you a review of my unusual vest. It's finally ready. We've devoted 3 videos to it and showed you how to make the decorative details and how to apply them to the garment. Have a close look at the vest. It's very beautiful. Organza doesn't wrinkle. I like it that I can bind this vest with different garments from my wardrobe. Today I'll show you some of the combinations. My new black shoes suit it very well. Stiletto heels or boots will suit it either. If I combine it with another dress, it would look absolutely different. I can wear the vest with trousers, a skirt and a short. I'm satisfied with the result. The vest is absolutely wonderful. As for the fusible material, we don't usually use it for sewing, but it's suitable for such creative work. The stripes are attached reliably with it. You can hardly tear them off. Please be creative. We've attached the details with the fusible material. You can stitch them to fabric. You can decorate them with chains, pearls, or beads. It's up to you. I think that the fusible material is good enough for me. Any of the variants will be right. It's just a matter of choice. I like that the stripes are of different width. The distance between the stripes gets bigger to the top. It makes the vest look very unusual. Have a close look at this outfit once again. I'm going to change it next. You can make a similar vest, or a cardigan with sleeves, or decorate the front of your dress with similar stripes. Make decorative details of different form, rectangular, square, and so on. Be creative. I'm glad that I can finally bring my idea to life. And I'm happy with the result. Do not be afraid of experiments. You've seen that it didn't take me long to make this vest. Have a look at me. I'm wearing the vest on top of the trousers and my favorite plaid shirt. The collar, the sleeves, and the boots are decorated with the rhinestones. The vest suits them well. What do you think? I like the way the vest moves together with me. Organza is delicate, and the stripes make it heavier and stronger. This is a very unusual outfit. I'm sure that I will be able to combine the vest not only with black garments, but with other colors as well. This vest will help me be different and beautiful every day. I'll turn around. This is a plain shirt collar. I love both the shirt and the trousers. As I've said, I got this idea a very long time ago. I knew that I had to make it. Let me show you one more combination. The shirt is the same. The pencil skirt and white shoes look fresh. I'm sure that such unusual vest will make you and your life more interesting. Wearing such vest, you will always be in the spotlight. That's all for today. Let's be different and beautiful every day together. This is what I'm here for. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.